Black holes are one of the most dangerous and mysterious objects in the universe. They are invisible, we can't see them. They can't emit light. It's very difficult to detect. Black holes have immense gravitational force. Anything get close to black hole will pull into it. Thing which pull into black hole does not come return back. Even light cannot escape form it why that call black hole. Every galaxy have black hole in its center, which gravitational force circulate the galaxy. Happy news that the black hole of our galaxy Milky Way is very far from Earth. Please subscribe the channel.